Hello beauties, it's nice to see you again. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this Bantu nose with this coily tips in front, also with added extensions. So if this is something you're interested in, keep watching. Hello beauty, welcome back. So I'm going to first start by prepping my hair. As you can see me do, my hair is freshly washed, so I'm going to ensure that I properly moisturize it, because I'm going to put it in this protective style and I don't want my hair to dry out. So I first started by applying some oil. I used the LOC method, applied my oil and then locked it with a cream. I used a very light shea butter to lock it up, and that is me. So you can see I'm parting my hair in sections just to lay the foundation of what I wanted to do. Meanwhile, I wasn't trying to achieve clean paths because I don't have a mirror, so I couldn't see my back. So I was just using my hand, just like hands free, and just doing my thing. So I'll leave you to watch how I prepped my hair, the patterns, and laid everything down then before we start adding the extensions. Thank you. Right, so I'm done with creating the sections, the smaller sections I have to work with. So I have about 30 sections here, which I'm going to start by crocheting the extension through each section, as you can see me do. Then I'll just kind of like divide it so that they're in two equal parts, and then I'm going to twist it, make a twist, not too tight anyway, just make a twist. So I'm going to start wrapping the twist, which I have done, around the base of the hair. Just wrap it round around the base until I'm done with the entire length of the hair, and I'm going to secure the tip of the hair, like the added extension, under the base so that it forms that knot, as you can see in the video. One pro tip is that when you're forming these knots, you have to ensure that you don't wrap it around tightly, else it's going to irritate your scalp after a few days, which can cause breakages. This is a protective style, as it is meant to, as the name implies, it is meant to protect, not damage our hair. As you see, I'm now adding the coily bits, and then I'm just going to use like a small bit of mousse to separate it to form that, give it that volume, as you can see in the video. Bantu knots is a versatile and a timeless hairstyle. I mean, you can wear it to any occasion, and it is easy to maintain, easy to also install, and easy to take down. So the only downside I would say is when you want to go to bed, and for someone that sleeps on the back, you might have to reconsider. Possibly you change your position by lying on your side or just lying on your tummy. So I'll say that's the only side, and ensure that you don't make it too tight, like I said earlier. So if this is something you would like to try, I would like to hear from you. Or is this something you've done before? Also, if you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome as well. Please, for the newcomers, consider subscribing. I give out beautiful, valuable content that will help you in your journey to growing a healthy natural hair. So thank you for watching, and have a blessed week.
Bye.